Hello friends, welcome back to the YouTube channel, and this is Rahul Chaure, and today I am going to make video on how to use Thicken command in Creo Parametric. So without wasting our time, we'll just get started. So just open your Creo Parametric and click on the file and take a new file. Then one window will be pop up here, and just you have to select the part in the type and subtype as a solid. Just unclick this default plane and click on OK. One again window will be pop up. Click on millimeters and click the OK. System is generating as generated. Just interface of the system, Creo Parametric. Just click on the front plane and then click on the model. In model, click on take the sketch and then to the sketch view. And this, just click on the sketch. Here you can see the command is here, thicken. Okay, for understanding this command we will draw the rough sketch. Take the line command like this. Take this first point and draw the line up to this point, then click here and then again drag downside and take this second point and make the inverse C shaped drawing. Okay, now the command is still active. For deactivating command, just click on escape on your keyboard one time. Line is now unable to draw, but still command is active, and we have to again click on the escape. Automatic dimension will be came by the system, and then the drawing is completed. Okay, now we perform the operation on this. Click on the sketch and the next here is the thicken command. Okay, create entity by offsetting an edge or a sketch entity on two sides. Okay, so thicken command what do, it's just offsetting the object with a specific thickness by some distance from that object. Okay, means if I am offsetting this line, okay, so it will get offsetted but with thickness and the distance. Okay, means distance from this point up to this point. Okay, up to somewhere on the drawing. So I will directly show you how the command is performing, then we will get actual concept. Just click on the thicken. Okay, and then here one window will pop up. Select thicken edge, single chain loop. These three type we will see in this video, and end cap. In these three types also we will see in the video. Open, flat and circular type of thicken. Okay, thicken command. So as in previous video I told you, the single minim only is the only one object will be considered and only one line. Okay, so just click this first line. I just selected, then one command again pop up, the next command here, enter thickness. Okay, so I will put 10 mm thickness. Click on the green tick mark, and one arrow is generated, and as you are observing this screen, orange color arrow is generated around this line of downside. Downside indicates the thicken command will be generate that thicken object to this side of the line. Okay, and next, and here you can see enter offset in the direction of the arrow, and how much distance you want it to offset, or you want to generate the line, thicken line. So I would like to up to 30 mm. Okay, so put 30 and click on green tick mark. Here you can observe very well. Thicken means 10 mm thickness of the object is generated, or the line is generated, and how much distance of offsetting, 30 millimeter. Okay, here this 20 and this 10, 30 mm. Okay, So this is the this operation is performed only for the single line, because in the command single line is selected. If you select the chain type, you can select more than one line or up to two line. Okay, and if you select this loop, so this operation will be performed for whole three lines. This is the first one, this is the second one, and this is the third one, means for all the object. Okay, so just press the Ctrl Z. Okay, and then again click on the sketch, and next here is the command, click again onto the thicken command. Okay, now in this we'll do something difficult. Okay, so just click on this line, I just clicked, then one window pop up here, enter thickness. Again I will go enter the 10 mm thickness. Okay, but I will enter 10 mm thickness, and just click on the green tick mark. Now arrow is generated, and enter offset distance. I will enter offset distance minus 30 mm. Click on the green tick mark. Here you can see now the thicken object is generated over the line or top side of the line. Okay, in the previous concept what was there, in previous action the thicken object is generated below the line, now it's above the line. Okay, this is the second case. Okay, and this thicken object is created with open ends. Okay, here you can see end caps are open. This already clicked on open, that's why these two lines are in open. Okay, there is no closure, no closed structure. Okay, this is the second case, and again just click on the closed, and again press the Ctrl Z. Now we'll see the next case. Click on the sketch, click on the thicken command, and now we'll see this chain type. So first of all, just try to click on this chain. Okay, it's getting selected, chain type. Okay, so chain type means more than one. Select this one, press Ctrl and select this also. Okay, now enter thickness. I will enter the 10 mm thickness. Click on green tick mark, and the next our system is asking enter thickness, or enter offset in the direction of the arrow. I will enter minus 20 mm, and click on green tick mark. Okay, here you can see these two objects are offsetted with some specific thicken object. Okay, the line is already here, this 10 mm again generated, and here you can see this 10 mm here also generated at a time. Okay, so at a time we can do this operation of thicken operation. Okay, again this was the third one case, and just click on the close. Next click on the Ctrl Z, then go to the sketch, and then again take the thicken command. Will show you the fourth one case, which one now just click on loop. Now select the object. If you select on a single line, now I have selected this loop, so it will automatically get all the lines at a time. Just enter the thickness. I will enter the 10 mm thickness again, and just click on green tick mark. Now system is asking orange arrow is created. It will generate the offset thicken object offsetted inside below this side. Okay, below the line means inside of the whole lines. So enter offset distance. I will enter how much, 40 mm. Click on the green tick mark. Here you can see the thicken object is created inside. Okay, but with open ends. Here you can see ends are open, end caps are open. If I click on the flat, okay, now it will not generate after clicking here. For this we have to do the process once again. Okay, so this was the one of the case. Just for now we have completed this single chain and loop 3 cases. Okay, Now we'll see this flat and circular, okay, end cap. So just click on the close, press the Ctrl Z so that we can get back. Again go to the sketch and take this thicken command. Now we'll see in the loop, okay, for whole object. You just have to remind the loop is for whole object, and then click on. Now not we don't have to directly click on the object after selecting loop. We have to click on the flat, okay. First of all we'll see the flat and then we'll move towards circular. Just click on the flat and then see the magic, select the object. Now enter thickness. The thickness I will put 10 mm. Just click on the green tick mark, and then next enter offset in the direction of the arrow. Offset distance it's asking, so I will put a 50 mm, or yes 50 mm, and click on the green tick mark. Now here you can observe the thicken object created with the closed structure or the closed end. Here you can see end caps. Previously it was on open command, but now I clicked on flat, so flat is here, okay. Flat means plain, closed loop is generated, okay. Now just click on the close, again press the Ctrl Z, go to back and just click on the sketch and then take again thicken command. Now this is the last one, just click on the loop, and then next I would like to end caps to be created circular type, okay. Now we'll see in this case what will happen. This is the last case, and just select the object. Again one window will be pop up here. Enter the thickness. I will put a 20 mm thickness. Click on the green tick mark, and next the orange arrow is created. It means the offset thicken object is created inside the below the line and inside the whole lines in this area, okay. As I told you, if you wanted to thicken object outside of the structure, like from this and from this to this, so you just have to put the value in minus, okay. So now I will again show you. So offset distance put minus 40, okay, minus 40 let's say. Just click on the green tick mark. You can see, okay, the object is thicken object is created outside of the line. Here you can see, okay. So negative value we have to put for getting outside, and getting inside the plus value. And here you can observe a thicken object is created with the circular end caps. Here you can observe, okay, these are the circular end caps with the 10 mm thickness. I just have that put 10 mm thickness and offset distance value. How much offset distance value I have put over there? I think minus here we have to find where it is get automatic generated dimension, okay. So it's okay. After just click on this closed, okay, close command, and then again close this, and now just click this line and then press the Ctrl and select this line, and after that just move cursor the free space area cursor and just click your middle button of your mouse, okay. Here you can see the one dimension distance. Click on the distance. Here a distance is dimension is created. Here you can see 40 mm, okay. This one I will show you, yeah. So as I put the dimension of minus 40, so this is the distance, offsetted distance, okay. Actually this is the offsetted distance and this is the thickness. So I hope this concept understand you very well, and so this is all about how to play with this thicken command in Creoparametric, and you will get all those videos of Creoparametric single video for single command in my channel. Kindly subscribe the channel. This is the humble request to you. And the next I would like to thank you very much.